Are you tired of the endless promises of easy money online? Have you tried dropshipping, affiliate marketing, or Amazon FBA only to find out it's not as simple as they say? You're not alone. The internet is full of motivational videos promising you quick riches, but the truth is it's a bit more complicated. Hi everyone and welcome. In this video we're going to cut through the noise and give you the real deal on making money online. No fluff, no empty promises, just the truth. Stay until the end because I have prepared a surprise for you. Don't worry, I don't have to sell you anything. Okay, let's go. First things first, let's debunk some myths. If you hear words like automatic, passive, guaranteed, easy, risk-free, or fast when someone is trying to sell you an online business idea, consider that a huge red flag. Making money online requires effort, commitment, and a learning curve. There isn't a magic method, but there are viable strategies. I've analyzed many different online businesses, and I've narrowed it down to two that actually have good potential. Let's start with the first one, Kindle Publishing. This involves publishing books through Amazon's KDP platform. Now, you might be thinking, I'm not a writer, no problem, this method is excellent for things like journals, diaries, coloring books, and funny books. These types of books have high viral potential. Now here's a key tip. Forget paid ads for now. Use TikTok instead. Create a profile, post 2 to 3 videos a day showcasing your book, and try to make them go viral. If one video takes off, replicate that strategy. If a $16 book goes viral and you get 100,000 views, even a 1% conversion rate can generate around $7,000. By the way, if you're finding this video helpful, then feel free to subscribe. It really helps out with the algorithm. Okay, back to the video. Here are the steps to Kindle Publishing. Create a KDP account, create your book, create a TikTok profile, publish your book, publish 2 to 3 videos per day. Replicate content that goes viral. Next, let's talk about an even better method, YouTube. Building a successful YouTube channel can generate significant income. It starts with choosing a niche you're passionate about and one that's potentially profitable. Research your target audience, create compelling content, and pay attention to your video's metrics. Here are 2 metrics you need to know. CPM, or cost per mille, is what advertisers pay per 1,000 monetized views. RPM, or revenue per mille, is the actual revenue you receive per 1,000 total views. You will need to meet the monetization requirements set by the YouTube platform to earn money through ads. Focus on high-quality content that people want to click and watch all the way through. That is the real secret to success. Here are the steps to follow. Pick a niche. Research your audience. Create high-quality videos, including script, editing, voiceover, title, description, and tags. Pay attention to CTR, or click-through rate, and audience retention. Now, it's important to remember that neither of these methods are a get-rich-quick path. They both require time and commitment. If your goal is to create a second income, you may be able to manage it yourself. But if you have big goals, consider delegating tasks to grow more efficiently. Don't expect a linear path. You'll face challenges, but overcoming them builds skills and awareness. Each difficulty you conquer will make you more aware of how to address similar difficulties in the future. Before you dive in, make sure to do your research. I've created a detailed file that analyzes many online businesses to help you make informed decisions. I call it the 54 Side Hustles Tested Dossier. You can find that in the description below. So there you have it, the No BS guide to making money online. It's not easy, but it is possible. If you are willing to put in the time and effort, you can succeed. Don't forget to share your own experiences in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.